everyone. So here the video for Django login and sign up button. So I will show you how basically that is work. As you can see, basically I will install the PIP Django using this module Django. Okay. Also, I've also updated this code in my GitHub file, as you can see. Okay, I will change some minor changes. I will change it. So how basically that is work. So first you have to go to the extension. First, you have to go to the section, type Django. Okay. Now you have to install this one. Install this extension. As you can see, there is error. Django shortcut. These are the things. Okay. Now, obviously, that is working now. So, how basically I made this code? As you can see, I just made this code using the app. So, in the app, the major part that is a view. The view part that is that, as you can see, there is a greet method. We have to give and render the request file to the home page. Okay. Home page is that we have also already add the templates. Okay, I will tell you how basically that is work. Then if request post, then this is a username and password 2. If password does not equal to 1, that means your password is not same. Like you are saying, like you have entered the same, did not same the enter password, that they get the same error on that. Then we have tried this. If not uname और अगर तुमने uname को print नहीं किया है, username को नहीं print किया, then they give empty. Also same like password. Okay. Also if getting error, they just showing this an error. Okay. That is a good method. We are using try and expert method. So as it's as same as given in the login. Okay. Now the main thing, how basically the login button basically work. So you have to just migrate thing. So you have to just go the terminals and type here. As you can see, Python main manage. Python manage. Let me install it again. I think Python manage.pv. Okay, as you can see here. So we have to execute the from the command line. So as a set default OS system. Okay. Now you have to go the main app. So in the registration app, you can see the settings here. So here basically has been given the main file, that is Django get random secret key. This is very important thing. Then the website getting work. If you're not getting installed very well, that is not working well. Like now then we have, as you can see, we have also mentioned OS path join bakes template file. That is a template folder. Then we are getting all these things. Also the last one, that is the most important, static directory file. As you can see, I have already add a static css dot as a css file here. Okay. Now I'm gonna tell you how basically that is work. That is the URL. When you just commanded login, home, and logout. Okay. Let me just write here Python manage .py run server. Okay, sorry, I just mistakenly write insert. Okay, now this basically the website is getting online. As you can see, this is getting online. So what you have to do first, you just click in this website get open. As you can see, this website is getting open. This is your home page, as you can see. Okay, let me refresh it, and I think just do it. I have already made the account, but I can just figure out making some another account like NX Pro and uh, using some NX Pro 7 at gmail.com. Okay, then write any message here like 654123. Okay, 654123. You can also add, so you can also add like a program. where the password should be very complicated, that maybe not that someone hack it. Like you can also add here, when you just entering the password, you just save. You have to enter the very very secure password using the syntax of these. Okay, I did not added it, but I just show you a sample of that. Okay, also I will show the VS Code sources. Let me show the here. As you can see, this when you go through that this HTML file. Okay, this HTML file where he's given login. So as you can see, they load the statics file and load statics.css. Okay. Now also see that the CSR token. This is very important thing for you can user cannot get hack the website. They basically generated token cookies also. Agar, also I added this. This is a error message. If error message indicate, then they show like this. Okay. As I can show you in URLs here. Here also my right in the views. As you can see, when error, this is an error variable. If this is happen, then show this message. Okay, understand? Now just we have to just sign up this. I think it's not looking authentication unique construct failed. Let me open this. So this is gonna open. This will show the home page. So this is your home page. Okay, you can also add some. You have to add a CSR token here. Okay, as you can see the form actions. Okay, these are things. CSR token, you can just log it the file, then we go back again the login page. These are the things. I think hope you get this video, understand. Thank you. Please just like the video and follow my Telegram group as I given in the description.